This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Barbara Pavlak. Experience luxury living and breathtaking views of the Intracoastal city skyline and patial ocean view. This meticulously maintained building has undergone extensive renovations and upgrades, including new hurricane impact windows throughout, newer roof installation for long-term peace of mind, fire sprinkler and alarm systems installed throughout common areas, upgraded parking lot lighting for improved nighttime safety, contemporary glass balconies replacing old concrete for a sleek look, fob entry system and security cameras installed. Inside, you'll find a modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a pantry, and instant hot water. Enjoy resort-style amenities including a heated pool, fitness center, library, on-site management, and more. This home combines comfort and security. For more information,